Hi, welcome to Your Black World News. I'm your host, Roosevelt Mitchell III. Louisville, Kentucky Judge Olu Stevens is under intense scrutiny after dismissing an all-white jury in a case involving a black defendant. Judge Stevens stated that this jury doesn't represent the community, which is 20% African American. And he stated that it doesn't give the guy a fair chance of getting a fair verdict. And Judge Stevens has been critical of Kentucky attorney Tom Wine over advocating for all-white juries. And Tom Wine went to the Supreme Court Chief Justice John Minton and asked that Judge Stevens be recused from all future criminal cases, stating that he is painting Tom Wine out as a racist for pointing out that he's advocating for all-white juries, and it also questions Judge Stevens' ability to be impartial as a judge. Let's think about this for a second. How can an all-white jury, Mr. Wine, actually represent a community that's 20% African American? Oh, let's also talk about the fact that 20% African Americans make up Louisville population. Let's talk about the fact that 55% of the black population make up the inmates in the jails. Now, how's that impartial, Mr. Wine? But the sad part is this coming Tuesday, they're having a trial in Louisville to see if Mr. Stevens will be recused from all future criminal cases. And as a black community, we cannot let this happen, because let us not forget about the Pennsylvania judge who was sentenced to 28 years selling black children to private prisons, or the fact that a lot of my family members are the people that, some of the people I grew up with, were railroaded from having an all-white jury and a white judge that nowhere nearly represented the community or the black population. So not only should black folks support Judge Stevens to eradicate these Jim Crow juries, these all-white juries, everywhere they're sending black and brown people to jail, undeniably, but we also have to stand up for this specific situation because it's bigger than Louisville, it's bigger than Kentucky. It sets precedent for juries everywhere, all over the country. So if we ever want to stop the school to prison pipeline or have a fair justice system, it starts here. It starts with a jury that represents the community. So here at Your Black World News and at Your Black World and Financial Juneteenth, we support Judge Olu Stevens 100%. And there's numerous Facebook pages and websites you can go to in order to support him. And I am asking Tom Joyner to please support Judge Stevens. I am asking TV One to please support Judge Stevens. I'm asking the Black Lives Matter movement to please support Judge Stevens. And let's rally behind him and make enough noise to drown out the racist voice of Tom Wine as well. So please, I'm asking for your support of Brother Stevens. And until next time, my friends, be blessed and be encouraged.